All right, good day, guys. Dreycosting here. All right, so I just thought I might do a quick video of my trade this morning on GBP This morning, my character was really tested on GBP and I'm really proud of myself. So I just really wanted to share this with you guys. Um, I'm currently going through the book, One Good Trade by Mike Bellifuori, and it's really helping me tremendously with my mindsets. All right, and I'm going to discuss some of the issues that are some of the challenges I used to face. Well, I'm still facing, but I'm trying to, my best to overcome it. You know, so I'm going to explain some of those challenges and how the book has really helped me. All right, so because technical wise, I'm good. I know to read the chart, mark up the charts, and all of that. But it's always that mindset part. That's always the final part, right? So GJ is in a downtrend, right? It's in a downtrend currently, but overall, from a higher time frame structure, this is the low, shift, retest, higher low, we still can continue up, right? So until price comes and break this low right here, right? We're not officially in a strong downtrend, right? So in a temporary downtrend, right? So price can actually come back, touch here, and then shoot back up here if you go to the higher time frame. But I'm on a different level right now. We're just trade on one time frame, which is the 30 minutes. That's what I'm doing right now because I can stay up to 30 minutes and know what's going on the higher time frame. So for argument's sake, if I go to like the daily, I don't really want to change time frame to confuse you guys, right? If I go to the daily, right, I know right here was like a higher low. See that? Well, all right, so until price breach this higher low right here, this previous low right here, we're still in an uptrend, right? So price can just simply come right here, consolidate, and then shoot off respecting this low. So we're transitioning right now, right? So we're not fully transitioning to a downtrend as yet, but we're transitioning. So I'm just working with what the market give me at the time. So we're in a downtrend, right? Temporary downtrend to transition, possibly transition to a full downtrend, if you get what I'm saying. So in a downtrend right here, so price shift, retest lower high, shift retest lower high, shift retest lower high, shift retest lower high, came back right here, respecting this low right here, right? Shift retest lower high, shift retest lower high, right? This low right here, all of these lows right here been respecting for a good while, right? So when I got up this morning for London session, pre-London, going into London session, this is the 12 o'clock candle, right? So we're on 30 minutes. So this is the 12 o'clock candle. So when I got up, I realized that these here that was being respected had a break, shift, retest, lower high, right? So the basic of trading. So we have a shift, retest, lower high, right? Continuing a downtrend. So push up my trend line like this and say, all right, let's see if this minor trend line right here is respected. So then what I saw was that at the 12 o'clock candle, I had a rejection again. So rejection at the level 30, then at a top rejection again of this area right here, respecting here, right? So I'm gonna explain now how a mindset really came in. So as I discussed in some of the previous posts, that my focus right now, I'm not focusing on making money or making profits and all of that. My only focus is to take one good trade and do the right thing, right? So shift retest lower high. So even though I get a stop loss here of 17 pips, that was not my intention. My intention is to place my stop loss at an area where the definition of a downtrend would be invalidated, right? So that's all on my mind. If my stop loss gets hit, right, I just live with it. So if price push down and then break here, then the definition of the downtrend would have been void. Or price now could have come back, created a higher low, right? Confirm the definition for uptrend to continue up. So all that's on my mind, my thought process is to take one good trade, do the right thing, right? So the next thing I did, right, I tried to do the right thing, go on my calendar, check if there is any major news coming out, right? That's going to impact me at pre-London. At the time that I was trading, I realized that interest rate is coming out at 6 o'clock. So I realized, okay, that's 5 hours before my entry time. So I have a little breathing room to play with. You know what I mean? I have a little breathing room to play with. Then check my currency strength. I realized that yen, you know what I mean, had a lot of strength to go down, right? So we're looking good right there. So I did all my due diligence, my technicals line up, my fundamentals looking good, right? And I did all my due diligence. So only thing for me now is to just ensure that I place my stop loss based on structure and not risk the reward, not trying to fight a risk the reward. You get me? So I'm just working with structure. So let me show you how it plays out, right? So bam, right? So I did not take the trade on this candle. So let me explain why, right? You have to wait until the candles are printed properly, right? So we have to wait on candles to be printed properly. And on this green candle right here, this is a bullish candle. And if it says shift retest lower high, resistance has to be formed. And how a resistance is formed and confirmed is that you must first have a green candle closure top wick, and then a red candle closure, right? A bearish candle closure now top wick as well. So that is a green candle closure, which a bullish candle closure with top wick is not a confirmation that resistance has been formed. Resistance is formed when there's a bullish candle closure, then a bearish candle closure, and then now you take an engulfing, right? So bam, when I got this closure now for the 12:30 candle, then I know that I can go on the pre-London candle at 1 a.m. right? So bam, I took that. So that was my entry, right? So this was my entry, engulf, totally engulf all of that. Then now, bam, look what happened. Price retraced back all the way into drawdown. Right. So normally I would have jumped out of the trade or cut off of my position and all of that. But as I kept on saying to myself that I can live with this loss because I took one good trade. And if I lose this, all I'm gonna do is just get up another day and take one good trade again. Right. So I did not really get rotted or anything like that. So that's how the book has been helping my mindset to know that I have to just live with one good trade and to know that I'm probably wrong 40% or 30% of the time. It might not play, but you just let risk to reward deal the rest, right? You take in one good trade. Right. Look at how price been going close to my stop loss, even on this candle, right? At 2 a.m. Right? Close to my stop loss. You get me? And now to play out, bomb came down, right? Came all the way down now to like my TP 1 8, you know what I mean? And I can live with that. And then I'm just really letting the rest rock to see if it's gonna go to the final TP, right? So I'm at break even right now. I'm just chilling, right? To see how it plays out. So now I'm gonna take TP1 at 1 to 2, thereabouts. You understand? And now I'm just letting the rest do its thing. Alright, so alright guys. So that's my entry for the morning. And I explained to you why I took it, why I didn't really rattle when I'm in drawdown, right? I have to believe in my analysis. I place my stop loss at the correct area. If I was trying to wipe up the stop loss, trying to be 10 pips, trying to get high risk reward, and probably I'll be kicked out or something like that. All right. What if these wicks were taller and my stop loss were supposed to be 25 pips, 30 pips? Then so would be the case. You get me? My focus is just to place my stop loss at the correct area based off market structure. I hope this helped you guys. All right. Big up. Bless up.